Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to check your purchase history on the Steam mobile application. Whether you want to track your game purchases, wallet top-ups, or just review your spending, this guide will walk you through. First of all, open up the Steam mobile application on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. From the menu, click on Account Details. Inside Account Details, you will be able to see View Purchase History button. Tap on it. Here in this page, you will be able to see all the transactions like game buys, DLCs, wallet credits, and in-game purchases. If you've made any purchases, it will be listed over here. If not, it will be blank just like mine. That way you can view each transactions in details on Steam. That's how you easily check your Steam purchase history on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future guides on Steam. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.